I've already done videos on the Realme 6i. This time around, we're doing the Realme 6 Pro. Good evening, friends! Welcome to another Isa Does Tech video where I do tech in real life in style. That intro is new. Let me know what you think. And let me know what you think about the new background. Well, okay, it's not a new set or a new background. I basically just switched things around and did a whole new framing. So let me know what you think about that too. But anyway, let's get to it. You guessed it, we're doing a video on the Realme 6 Pro today. We're finally unboxing this thing. I know you've asked for this video a lot, you guys. So from the Realme 6 line, we've actually done videos on the Realme 6i, which is their baby, their most basic and cheapest. Now we're going to the other side of the spectrum with the Realme 6 Pro, which is the most power-packed supposedly of the three phones. From what I gathered, this phone has the best cameras in the Realme 6 lineup, and it also runs on a Snapdragon 720G processor. Also, and of course, is something that I personally am excited about, there is a dual cam selfie setup. I know you ladies are happy about that. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. But just a quick one before we move on, I am giving away a Realme 6i, so you can check that out on Instagram, find this post. I'll also link it down below. Good luck! Right, unboxing the Realme 6 Pro finally! So it's the typical yellow box. This time around it says Realme 6 Pro. On the back it says that you have a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, 30 watt flash charge, 4300 milliamp hour battery, in display dual selfie camera, I like that, 90 Hz display, and a Snapdragon 720G processor. We have the 8GB, 128GB version, and this one's in blue. What? There we go. Whoa. Welcome to the Realme family. So, first up, we have some embracing of a new journey to do. This is the manuals and all that. Shelly case. Putting this to one side, we have a USB-C cord. Ooh, SIM eject tool is here. And then we have the power brick. Now onto the whoa! Look at that! It's pretty! It says here you have a spot for a micro SD card, SIM 1, SIM 2. Let's open this up. So I know that there's a purple version, this isn't it, but I mean that still looks very good. Whoa, look at that back! Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, but I love how this looks. Wow. Still want the purple though, but still pretty. Okay, I cannot get over that. Oh, I almost thought it was glass. The back is pretty curved too. I like that. It feels nice in hand. You have 4 cameras on the back. There's also on the right, that is a power button and probably a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, speaker grills, USB-C port, and an audio jack. On the other side here, we have power buttons and the SIM tray. Right, let's power it up. But while we do that, a montage. guys, so I hope you appreciate this shot as much as I do. You literally can see everything here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do a camera walkthrough so you guys see like what's it like being in this phone's camera. So we have here a wide. That is obviously a bigger point of view, and as you can see, AI works. So now it's saying that this is portrait mode. This is the 1x, 2x. That's pretty clear, but it's telling me to maintain a certain distance. 5x. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, that's my ear. And then this can zoom up until, whoa, look at my earring, man. That is 20x. Wow, that's literally my earring. That's pretty cool. And then up here you have flash, HDR, and then chroma boost, which we know sort of saturates the photos. And then here we have the timer settings. I like that. Framing, full 16:9. I like 4:3. Then you have portrait mode, which can we zoom in or out? No, we cannot, but we can adjust the bokeh as we shoot. So it's default at 60%, and then there is a 64 megapixel shooter mode. Under more, there's a time-lapse option, slow-mo, pro, ultra macro, and pano. Let's look at the pro mode. So as you can see, we can change different settings there, 2x up until 5x. Oh, is this the wide? Yeah, that's the wide. You can also do wide, of course. So basically on pro mode, you can force like what camera you're using by tapping here, and then yeah, that's cool. So on video, you have the ultra wide mode, 1x, 2x, 5x, ooh, and up until 20x too. Again, my earring, hello. There is also the ultra steady mode, as you can see, and then there's max, and then there's normal ultra steady mode. I don't know what the differences are yet. So on ultra steady mode, you only have like, I don't think you can zoom in and out. Okay, so when you go to max, it sort of gives you like a wider framing. If it's just ultra steady mode, it's a tighter shot. On video, you can shoot up until 4K, and then 1080p, 30 or 60 FPS. There's also a bokeh mode, so live bokeh. So as you can see, my background, it changes. I don't know how clear you can see there, but we'll try that later on too in this video. And then you have night mode for wide, 1x, 2x, 5x, up until 20x. Oh, there's also that tripod mode for the night mode. That's cool. Right, now we move on to the selfies. Let's start with photo. Hiya. So because there are two selfie cameras, there's a wide angle mode. So camera, no camera. So that is the difference. Of course, you have the flash, HDR filters. Right, so here you also have the gesture selfie mode. I love that, works on both cameras. So honestly, this is a surefire way to take like your own OOTDs because you have a wide angle shooter and you have gestures. Portrait, there is no zoom in and out either, but you can still adjust the bokeh mode. Of course, there's beauty mode. And then actually, is there a beauty mode on the main camera? Yes, there is. So yeah, beauty mode works on both front and back cameras. Again, I really like Realme's beauty mode, but only in moderation, people. Again, there's also the night mode. Wait.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, stop! Okay, I'm sorry guys. Alexa just, plays random stuff. So on video, you also have the ultra steady mode. So there's only one ultra steady mode on this side of the camera. Oh, there's still AI beauty mode. And then there are still bokeh options. So as you can see, if you look at the background, like there is a difference. Night mode gives you both cameras as well. No tripod mode on this, I think. Yeah, I don't think so. On front-facing video, you can shoot 1080p. Of course, what's next is we're taking these cameras out for a spin. Let's go out. Right, so hi, welcome to the Realme 6 Pro's front-facing camera. So just a few things before we head out. One, this is the normal shooter, and as you can see, this has no beauty mode. But this now has beauty mode, and this is set to the AI level. I think I'd rather that I push it back a teeny bit. I feel like my face is too white, although you can see that my pimple marks have all but disappeared, and it's live. That's going on video. Right, this is much better. This is set to like level 3 now. The AI usually sets it at level 4. So yeah, this is also the wide angle camera. So more things, more space. Wait, oh my god guys, before I go, I just realized that there's a super slow-mo selfie mode on this. So we're gonna try that first. Okay. Yes. Yes, that bokeh works with the rear cameras too. I'm using it right now, and I'm shooting this with the rear cameras. It's a little weird, but I mean, I needed to show you guys, I guess. Anyway, time to check out the dogs. So yeah, these are the dogs basically, and the wide-angled camera on video. And a downward doggy. And then those 3 up there. 2x, that is still very, very clear. 5x, and mind you, this is shooting through like a glass door. Right, Chu? And on video, this is like the most you can do. That is 20x. Now back. Oh wait, so while you're shooting, you can only really control like what camera you're using. So this one in particular can do 2 to 20, and you can adjust between those 2 modes while you're shooting. The wide, when you shoot with it, can only do the wide, so you can't really adjust it while shooting. Of course, the 1x camera can zoom in up until like 1.9x. 1x and 1.9x. Hello! Excuse me! Hi! What's going on? Look at these 3. Hi! Obviously, you can tell which dogs are spoiled because some of them just had to get inside because of the rain. So, they are fighting. This is what happens when they get close to each other. Of course, they're not doing it because it's on camera. Okay, I guess not. And that was our unboxing, first look, and hands-on of the Realme 6 Pro. I gotta say, I was really pegging for the purple one, but even this blue one looks so good. They make all these more affordable phones look so good. So pricing for the 6 Pro will not be announced up until the 27th, where everything will be unveiled. But everywhere else in the world, this is how this phone has been priced. I'm telling you right now that I like what I'm seeing with this phone because it's been an awesome experience thus far. And also double selfie cameras. Like, I'm all for that wide angle selfie. But yes, of course, I will have a full review of this phone, so let me know what you want to know about this device on the comment section down below. Also, and I know you've been asking for this too, I will have more videos of the Realme 6 line in the coming days, so stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that bell button. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use tech on a daily basis, you can find me on social media. That's at Cisa Said on Twitter and Instagram. Oh, and by the way, I'm giving away that Realme 6i on Instagram, so find this post and join. Good luck. Until next time, bye!